Hello friends, అందరు బాగున్నారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. So here's a very fun vlog. It's a summer travel vlog. So summer kada, kids school off kabatti we thought we'll plan a small nice family visit. It's very special for me and for my family. So chala details cover chestanu vlog lo, where we are traveling, what places we visited. So stay tuned. Wow! Someone's got a new cabin bag.
Look, fire truck. Fire. And close.
చూస్తున్నారు కదా, అక్షిత్ వాజ్ సో ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఫర్ ద ట్రిప్. 1.5 year తర్వాత ట్రిప్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ అ వెరీ మెమరబుల్ వన్. యే! సో రెడీ అయిపోయాము, ఆల్ సెట్ టు గో టు ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ఇంకా జస్ట్ మార్నింగ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేసేసి బయలుదేద్దామని ప్లాన్. సో సృష్టి ఈస్ మేకింగ్ సమ్ ప్యాన్కేక్స్. సో ప్యాన్కేక్స్ పిల్లలు తినేసి మేము దోశలు తినేసి విల్ స్టార్ట్ అనే ప్లాన్.
And we're gonna go on a cab. We are leaving.
Yes, almost packed. And Akshay, did you pack everything that you wanted?
Yeah.
Already?
Taking a picture. Even I'm ready. I'm ready.
So basically this was like a 10-day trip. So plans, we had to make sure they are properly taken care of. So bathtub lo pettamu. So we are all ready. So all our baggages and packed చేసుకొని ready అయిపోతాం. Just waiting for our Uber drive.
Get our suitcase and my bag.
So we had already planned that, you know, ఒక్కసారి లాక్డౌన్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యాక we should go visit all the family members అని, because we as a family have been through a lot. So that's the first thing we thought we'll do after the lockdown opens. Instead of choosing some exotic locations, we chose to meet some family members. So 1 month ముందు నుంచి ట్రిప్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఐ ప్లాన్ అవుట్ అ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ టు డూ అరౌండ్ ద ప్లేస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్. సో ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాము, ఏం యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తున్నాము, అదంతా మీకు వీలాగ్లో కనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ ఫాలో మీ ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, యూ నో బై నౌ వేర్ వీ ట్రావెల్ టు. బట్ yeah, just hang on if you haven't watched me on Instagram. But kids were like so excited in the flight. పాపం వాళ్ళని కూడా 1.5 year నుంచి ఇంట్లో కట్టి పెట్టేసినట్టు ఉంది కదా. సో దిస్ వాజ్ వన్ మెమరబుల్ ట్రిప్ అండ్ వీ మేడ్ ష్యూర్ దట్ ఆల్ దీస్ మెమరీస్ గెట్ క్యాప్చర్డ్. అండ్ టచ్ వుడ్, కిడ్స్ అస్సలు ట్రబుల్ చేయలేదు ఫ్లైట్లో. జస్ట్ గివ్ దెమ్ సమ్ షీట్స్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్ అండ్ సమ్ కలర్ పెన్సిల్స్ అండ్ దే సాట్ అండ్ కలర్ ఫర్ అవర్స్. సో దట్ వాజ్ లైక్ a good part. So finally we reached this city, which was like we had a 8-hour layover ikkada. So we thought we'll go around and explore. Yay! Yay! Hungry? Srishti is hungry, so we'll quickly grab something to eat.
Run faster, Mommy.
You need to run faster? Yeah, I know. I think we have to run faster to catch Daddy. Yeah, so finally we visited Seattle and ఇప్పటి వరకు వెళ్ళలేదు. So thanks to some of the Instagram friends, suggestions కోసము. They suggested a lot of places around, but we had only 7 hours, so we had to cover, you know, some known places. So one of my colleagues and friends stay in Seattle, so అతన్ని కలుద్దామని ప్లాన్. సో అతను వచ్చేవారికి we just walked around the streets, Pike Marketplace and the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, and kids were a little hungry and grumpy. So we made sure that, you know, కొన్ని places cover చేద్దాము because we just don't want to drain out the kids. And finally we got to meet my friend and we went around Pike's place. Frankly speaking, నాకు ఈ place అంత నచ్చలేదు. I didn't like the fish smell. So no hard feelings. I'm just a vegetarian, so నాకు చుట్టుపక్కల ambience and smell అసలు నచ్చలేదు. But this there was this pier and it was nice and warm weather, so we just walked around and saw. It's like a mini tour. Hey buddy. Hi. Yes. We are just exploring, walking around in this downtown, and yeah, next planning to go to Space Needle or the brewery. We have to go check. So So, Seattle is one beautiful city to visit. If you have time, there are a lot of places to cover. So, suggestions kavalante you can DM me because I got a lot of suggestions from my friends. So, mainly Alaska Quellalante, this is the closest pier, I guess, or maybe from LA, Elochu. And this is the very first Starbucks place. The line was too long, so it wasn't worth standing in the line, but I just saw that place. I'm glad. And we just walked around the downtown and we finally settled in Starbucks Brewery.
I even
So this place was super chic, ambience chala bagundi, and we could actually see the coffee getting roasted. Okay, and Srishti is very hungry and tired and cranky. So yeah, kids don't travel just they become the priority kada. So we need to meet their needs first and then look around and go according to their schedule. What is that? And what is Shrishti having?
a sandwich.
Mommy is having this coffee float. Tastes great, and some sandwiches and pizza. No time to actually go to the Space Needle because we need to head back to the airport, but just saw it from outside and it looks magnificent. I'm sure the view from the top would be amazing, but right now no time to go there. But next time. So Space Needle and Glass Museum were two places that I really wanted to visit, but time constraint. So next time ke postponed plans. But so glad my friend could actually drop us in the airport, and we were like so tired. My flight never it's been delayed and we are like super tired airport lane. So Akshat ki time pass the Akshat is playing with the cars. Akshat is playing with the cars and kids are being super supportive. So this is just first leg of our travel. It was a very memorable trip, short and sweet trip. Friend Nikalsanu, we chit chatted, we caught up, and kids get to meet friends. And he was so considerate to drive us around and drop us off at the airport. And flight 3 hours delay and the other way but it was a good fun trip, but lots of fun activities, lot of fun places that we visited in this trip. So stay tuned, part 2 lo ఆ details అన్ని షేర్ చేస్తాను. So you can connect with me on Shweta Space on Instagram, DIYs, lot of updates share చేస్తాను. So stay tuned for part 2.